Hello everyone. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 23rd, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Yes, medium Sudoku, and there is also on this page our quintuplet, and I've told you earlier I won't do any quintuplets because those quintuplets will take me more than an hour to solve. All right, so only one regular Sudoku, and I will post a link of the quintuplet if you like the quintuplets. But I will first do the Sudoku Medium, and there's also in the newspaper 8 extra Sudokus in the additional. But first we will solve this baby. This will be number 2209. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 5 is 12. 13. Plus 5 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 25. Plus 2 is 27. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, 27 printed digits, it's a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the number 5 in this row? 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5? No 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Alright. In the last column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, there's over there a 1, so this box cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 3, 4, 5, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. And now we have a pair. 7 and a 6 in this column. 7 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the 7 and the 6 should be in those 2 boxes. As a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means, let me see, 3, yes, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The numbers 1 is missing, and a 3 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. The 1 could be everywhere, and the 5. We have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5. So the 3 and the... Oh, wait. We have a 3 here. So no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. What a stupid mistake. Alright. So 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left. In the third column, the 8 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. 8 and the 4. So now we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. 5, 8, 9, and the 1. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 5, 8, 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 5, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have 8 here, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 5 and the 9 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes because I think there are a lot of pairs. Here, pair, here, pair, here, pair, here, pair. Here, pair. Alright. 5 missing numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the missing numbers is 7. You see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there in this row. So the 7 could be here, or there in this row. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, alright. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 7 goes there. Alright, 9. Yes, 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 9. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2, no, digit number 1, digit number 2, number 1, yes. All right. Let me see. 9, 2. Okay. Let me see. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be A4. 8 in this row, a third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 8, number 3, no, digit number 3, number 8. All right, 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2 are missing. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Okay. How about 3, 4, 9, 3? Okay. 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 2 and the 4, so the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be the 6, and this should be a 7. Alright, and all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 4, number 6. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Okay, 1 box left in this column for the number 9, I believe. No. 1, 4. 4 is missing. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 1 box left in this last row for the number 4. No, 1, 2. 2 is missing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in the first column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. We go to this box. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9 in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.